How to find someone's social media accounts by phone number. Hey guys, let's get started. Finding someone's social media accounts using their phone number involves a very few steps. However, keep in mind that you should always respect the privacy and use the information responsibly. Some of the general approach would be searching on social media platforms, such as on Facebook search bar, you can type in the phone number. Sometimes Facebook search functions will find accounts linked to that number. Another option could be using people search tools. There are few specialized people search tools such as Truecaller and Pilk that allows us to identify phone numbers and can sometimes link to social media profiles. Another is using the reverse lookup services. You can use it in order to find the public profiles associated with the phone number. Or another option that you can try is Google search. You can perform a Google search with the phone number in quotation mark. This can sometimes reveal publicly available profiles or mentions. Additionally, you can also use social media profile searches in applications such as LinkedIn, which allows users to search for people using phone number if the profiles are public or if you are connected to persons. So make sure always using the information ethically and in accordance with privacy laws. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.